What if I told you that AI is minting new billionaires and unicorn startups at a pace that's never been seen before, even faster than the dot-com bubble? And this is really just the beginning. So let's get into some numbers. So the numbers right now, there are 498 AI unicorns, private AI companies worth over $1 billion. The market of these 498 companies is worth $2.7 trillion. Just let that settle in, 2.7. That's more than the GDP of a lot of countries, most countries. So some real world examples of this is OpenAI, just in talks for evaluation around $500 billion. Now, OpenAI, the company that created ChatGPT, for people that don't know. And this would make it the world's most valuable company. And they've only been around for a little while. So Anthropic, the creators of Claude, these guys are in discussion of a valuation at the moment for $170 billion, right? After raising billions of dollars just a few years ago. Dozens of others like Cohere, Mistral, Perplexity, they've all hit unicorn status within a record speed. Many of these firms, they didn't even exist 2 years ago. They had an idea and have gone for it and created it, and it's panned out. Multi-billion-dollar valuations. What does this mean? So what most people miss is this new wave isn't just enriching the founders of OpenAI or Anthropic. It's creating a broad new market for entrepreneurs. I think Sam Altman said it, it's the era of the idea guy. If you've got an idea, you've got a PhD level support or sidekick or CTO in your pocket on your laptop. You've got an idea, you want it created, these models can do it for you. They're that smart. In the 90s, Amazon and Google required millions and millions of dollars of venture capital and huge engineering teams to get stuff off the ground. Today, ambitious people building valuable tools on a laptop with products like ChatGPT and Claude and open source code, and they're building them in the local Starbucks. They're making tools that are kind of a one-trick pony. It might convert a PDF. It might be a blog site, it might be an index site, and they're creating $10,000 MRR, or sometimes even $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 USD MRR, so monthly recurring revenue. So while there's uncertainty about all the jobs that AI will replace, on the flip side of that, there's a lot of people, like smart people, solopreneurs, entrepreneurs that are leveraging AI to create entirely new businesses, which is super exciting. And they're doing it, like I said, from a Starbucks. They're doing it from their home on a laptop. And it's really changing the landscape that people expect from these development teams. So it's creating a whole new class of AI founders, and much of the value is still in fast-growing private companies. Yeah. So we're still in the early innings. So I guess from my perspective, I've done a few videos about, different apps and SaaS products that I'm creating, and different projects that I'm working on, even the consulting sort of stuff. So really super interesting when I was reading this type of information, and it really is, like I said, the era of the idea guy. If you've got an idea, get on ChatGPT, get on Claude, get on whichever model you want, and start just hashing it out. Start doing it, because you can do it. You can do it in your own living room. You can do it on your own laptop. And if you don't know something, ChatGPT or these other models can tell you what to do. So I guess if you've thought about any sort of like business idea, you've really got a huge advantage right now before the wave of everyone else comes through, and there's really like an opportunity right now. So I guess in the comments below, tell me what app, spill the beans. How do you want to create it? What are you going to use? If you don't know something, ask the model. I think it's just a great opportunity. So don't miss out, guys. That's it for today. Take it easy.